several years ago, Tyson and I used to get really into hiking, and you can climb right up the middle of this waterfall, and we went all the way up to that tier up there and sat on this little rock. It was really awesome. I don't think I have the energy to do that tonight.
Baby, 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 baby.
Loading up our favorite donuts for us. Heidi's one of the best. She takes good care of us. It's Friday, it's donut time. You can hear the girls crying. They're like ready for their donut holes.
Hello, Scarlett. She's like, I'm bored. So a little something to know about Tyson. He has to have his drinks so cold. Like, he'll buy the cans and he always has to put them in the freezer for like an hour before he'll drink them. He likes them like almost to the point of turning crystals. That's how cold he likes them. Well, occasionally we find this. Yeah. Tyson? And a lot of cleaning. Yeah, that is like, yeah, that's a goner. Hey, you. You don't need to be in here. Yeah. No. It's cold, huh? Say brrr. As he's spinning. Spinning. Oh, that's pretty in that dress. Oh, I'm loving these 4th of July outfits that they have. The 4th of July is my all-time favorite holiday. It could be because my birthday's in July, but I don't know. I love the 4th of July. So for you guys who are not in America, the 4th of July is like a huge holiday here. It's when we celebrate our independence as a nation. And so, you know, red, white, and blue is the color of our flag, which is basically their dress. And so they'll wear a lot of red, white, and blue through July because I love red, white, and blue. Ashi! Indy, spinning! Abby's refusing to go uppy. So she's just sitting on the bottom step, playing. Abby, let's go uppy. It's nap time. Your sisters are going up. Yeah, they're beating you. Get up there, sis. So Tyson has been on a mission today, and the garage is being emptied. And he's cleaned out most of it. We did pretty good. We're getting rid of a whole bunch of stuff. We have Uncle Jackson and Uncle Garrison here helping us. We're going to deliver this quad table to another quad family, donating it to them, getting rid of garbage that has just been sitting in here. You're not getting rid of that stuff, right?
All going to the garbage.
Shush. It is not. He's being
Taking
mean.
up too much room.
Although we are going to sell the snap and goes because we can't use them anymore because we don't use them in car seats. But we are keeping all of that. And that. We can't live without that. Oh, jeez. There's just stuff everywhere. Is that very heavy? Oh, Barney. She keeps picking up that diaper. Listen. Oh, she didn't do it that time. She always goes, Hi. Did Mally come see you? Pick it up. Pick it up. It's very heavy. She thinks that the diapers are very, very heavy. What, Ab? Oh, that's so yummy. so yummy. Yeah, that's good, Barley. Oh, here, let's put this up here. Here, let's boil some food. Let's boil a cookie and a piece of bread. That's the episode. What? Oh, goodness. Okay, thank you. Goodness. Here you go. Yes. Well, those are grapes. Yes. Oh, yummy. Eat them up. Yeah, those are yummy. So Scarlett likes ketchup. Yeah. Do you want more? So I'm giving her french fry with ketchup on it. And she sucks it off. And then she hands it back to me to put more ketchup on it. You want more? Ready? I had a little turtle. His name was Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to he drank up on the water. He ate up on his soap. And now he's sick in bed with a bubble in his nose. She got distracted by the TV.
Hello, bye.
Just waiting for Daddy to finish showering, and we are headed out on a date night. And this girl obviously knows it, and she doesn't want us to go. She will not let me put her down. But you've got your favorite Auntie Madison here. Yeah, Barney, is that so fun? Barney. Uh-oh. Ezzy, did you steal Pot Pie's toy?
Hi, are you okay? Oh my goodness.
What happened to your hair? Hi, girls. Mommy, Daddy leaving. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you.
Good night, kisses, kisses, mwah, kisses, mwah, kisses, mwah, kisses for my hubby, mwah. Extra kisses for this one.
Are you ready?
Ready, let's go.
So we decided to come up here to Bridalveil Falls, up Provo Canyon. There's our besties back there, Steve and Abe. And look at that view. This is like 15 minutes from our house, maybe. I will show you the waterfall next. Tyson, you ready?
Ready.
All right, you got your flosser in hand.
Always. Is it weird that this feels natural? Is it weird
This
that it's not
is
natural?
how good of best friends.
Is it weird that my husband left me walking by myself?
Is it
Hey,
weird that
mine
this
did
isn't the
too.
first time?
Amy was just telling me how this is the first place her and Steve held hands, and then we looked over and saw that. So, I don't know. Tyson and I used to get really into hiking, and you can climb right up the middle of this waterfall, and we went all the way up to that tier up there and sat on this little rock. It was really awesome. I don't think I have the energy to do that tonight, but it was really cool. You get the mist of the waterfall. Guys, look how beautiful Utah is. And we live like 15 minutes from here.
I know, we don't come up here enough, do we?
I can't wait to bring the girls here, but if you guys know, I kind of have a fear of water, a little bit, and I would never bring them this close to water without them being big enough to handle it. So maybe like 10, 12 years we'll bring them here.
No, they'll be swimming by 3 or 4.
Yes, still I won't bring them here. I don't know, these guys have their little ones, so I don't know. Maybe if I bring one-on-one and like a leash or something, it won't freak me out as much. We'll see. So pretty. So we just got done at Bridalveil Falls, and now we're heading, I don't know where. We're going somewhere. So, all right, that's it, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
They're the